Hey guys, my name's Caleb, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how I was able to buy and resell my NBA Top Shot NFT moment for 100% profit. So if you watched my video last week, I made a video about NBA Top Shot and Dapper Labs, and I only bought a couple moments at the time because my Dapper Labs account wasn't loading, and then even to buy a pack, you couldn't get a pack. I tried to get in the Series 17 drop, but I wasn't able to. So let me just go ahead and show you, jump straight into how I was able to flip this. By the way, the market's pulling back really big. Ethereum just went down all the way to 1550 and then just shot up $200. I tried to take advantage of that big pullback, but my Coinbase account wasn't letting me sign in, so that was a little bit frustrating. But anyway, what I am really excited about is the future of the NFT space. I think it's really exciting, and me as somebody who's bought and sold and followed the buying and selling market my whole life, this is something that I think that a lot of the younger generation, or really any generation, but specifically the younger generation, is gonna be able to get onto this and know what they're doing, know which moments sell for the most, which ones are trending, which ones have the most market of people searching for them, just like we do in buying and selling, cars. It's pretty much the same market. So this was really exciting to me. It was only $50, and I can't really find out. I hope you guys like my name. I can't really find out where my old moments are. So if you guys, anybody in here knows, please let me know. All I can see is the one I have. I had one in here and I can't even remember the name of it. In the email when it finally told me that I sold it, that was really exciting, but yeah, it didn't show me the history of what I sold. So I wish I could show you guys that. The only thing I can do now is record this one, and I can show you guys what I bought and sold this one for. And I'll put this one up today and I'll see what it sells for. So you can see right here in the past. See, that's the thing. If I could just find which moment I had before, I could go onto the history and see exactly what I bought it for and when and all that. But anyway, I bought this February 19th. That's 3 days ago, 3:06 p.m. I bought serial number 108891. And it sold for $7 to me. So then if I look today and I see what it's gone to, I'm sure because of this massive pullback, it pulled back as well. Let's see. Because I just was on here a minute ago and it was like $34 was the lowest ask. Let's see what the lowest ask. Oh, 30. So not that much, but what did I say I bought it for? It was $7, right? Man, that's insane. This one has even more profit, and that's kind of usually how it is. So let's see, 30 over 7. Jeez, is that? Yeah, I guess I did 4x my. Man, I 4x 300% gains on that. That's insane. So that's kind of what my guess was whenever I started this was, man, I just really want to buy a bunch of the cheapest stuff because I didn't want to go out and buy one big $10,000 moment and just hope that it goes up a little bit. My plan was to buy all the these ones started at $2, and then I bought it at $7, hoping that I wasn't at the peak of these prices. And now I don't know if it's just this one specifically, but let me show you really quick how to put these up for sale. I may regret this in a little while because I think the one I sold, I bought for 50 yesterday. It was it was a series 1, so it was a little bit more rare. I bought it for 50 and I sold it for 100 yesterday. Now let's show you how to sell this one. So the top sale for this is 4,500, but that's obviously a lower serial number. Let's go ahead and sell it. I think I have to go like this. Back to my profile. At least I'm recording this one so you guys will know. So Al Hartford, I'm going to place for sale. The lowest ask was 30. I'm going to ask, should I do more? Let's do 35. or I'll do 31. 31's my favorite number. 31. Marketplace fee, they're going to take $1.55, but then I'll get $29.45 out of it, okay? So I'll place for sale. It processes for a second, and then it takes me to another screen. So this is the blockchain flow. It's all doing the process right now. I got to confirm the transaction first. So now Dapper Labs is using Flow. The blockchain is sorting this transaction for 1,000 times cheaper than what it would be on Ethereum right now. And let's see, yeah, so it's same processing. It's the same process whenever you buy too. So it takes you on the user interface of Top Shot, then it's going to process on the back end through Flow the transaction. So the UFC, Dr. Seuss, all the other partnerships in games that Flow develops from here on out, they're all going to be developed on Flow. Oh, there we go, success. Now it's listed for sale, 31. So if I click this, I can see for sale by 570. I'm at $31. The lowest ask right now was 30 a second ago. Let's see. Yeah, still 30. And then there's mine, $31. I don't think there's anybody cheaper than me higher, because obviously the lower you go, the serial number, the better. So mine might actually sell pretty fast. Yeah, so that would be insane to 4x my money. So I really could have bought a few days ago just like 100 moments, anything I could have got my hands on, and then sold them all and 4x my money. I only bought like 3 or 4. I bought this one, that other series 1, and it was under 3 digits. And then it sold for 100 yesterday. So I think it's really cool. I'm just getting started into the NFT space, but having somebody do this full time as a career, I think would be awesome. And seeing anybody out there who does this as a career, if you guys do this, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are buying right now. Give me some more information in the space. I'd love to, talk to any of you guys and see what you guys are buying right now. So anyway, if you guys like this video, if you like the whole NFT space, NBA Top Shot, you think there's a future for it, give this a thumbs up and comment down below, like I said, what you guys are buying. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.